Shall we have a small case study discussion regarding the wearable devices applications, which is based on biomedical engineering? Can we start? Can anybody tell me what are the applications we are using in biomedical engineering?
So, there is a device called Fitbit Charge 5. Anyone have heard about it?
No, I haven't.
So, it is also a wearable device like fitness band. No, it is like a fitness band. It actually used for tracking our heart rate, our speed, and how about our stress. And while walking, it can also calculate how many steps we have done. So, majorly there are three sensors used I think so, like EDA and PPG. PPG sensors for pulses and accelerometer. These are the sensors used in that particular fitness band. And majorly we use it for monitoring system cases. And it also have limitations like it cannot use for medical diagnosis. So next,
We also come to a device called freestyle relay. Basically, it is a glucose monitoring device for diabetic patients. Mostly the sensors used for electrochemical sensors in NTC. The NTC is basically used for near-time communication, which is used to communicate with the device. Then it has a main advantage of compared to other glucose monitoring devices. It does not use fingerprinting. It only uses Bluetooth communication with the patches. So the only limitation of the device is it needs many replacements and the cost is very high. So next.
So we talk about Epica equals the wearable medical devices. It's used to track the epilepsy and seizures of the patients in some rather distance and other places. So we can easily monitor them. And it has the major sensors are EDA, PPG and accelerometer and temperature for their action and motion to monitor the action and motion of the patients. So it is widely used in clinical and research work. It is a major usage in of the devices, and it has the two limitations. They are very costly, and it is mostly used affordable for the foreign countries, not in India.
Yeah, I have another application. They called Apple watches. Their main purpose is to help detection and emergency detection. The sensors used in this watches are SpO2 sensor, gyroscopic sensor, and the accelerometer sensor. It sends the emergency to the particular person.
Okay. Has they told something specifically about the individual patients or voice? Do we have any specific applications for kids or women in this application?
I heard about the application. It is mainly for women. It's called Wearable. Its main purpose is to track down the exocycles and ovulation patients. It also sends the information like their skin temperature, breathing rate, heart rate, etc. Its main purpose is also to track down the pregnancy windows and ovulation patients. It has a limitation which is limited for outside of ovulation reproductive age.
Is that it can clearly identify these parameters in that place?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So yeah, ma'am, as you asked, there is also another thing for children. As he said, for tracking adults, we have for kids too. It is called NIPO. What it actually does means it actually goes and identifies the vitals of the children, especially the heart rate and the sleep cycle of the children. Waits for the children to react for every single thing, and it notes down, and it gives the signal, and it gives like an alarm to us. Especially it is for very small children like infants. So as we go for NIC, right? So it will be like same. And the main problem here is it is too sensitive. So sometimes if the baby starts to cry, it may give the false hopes too. That is the only main thing we see. And also most probably the things we have seen is like we have got up to the 80% of accuracy rates, but not 100%. Since our field biomedical is getting involved into wearable devices, it grows high. We are not in future, it is growing now, but it needs some other updates too, I think.
Okay, fine. I hope we have gone through many applications in the biomedical engineering in terms of wearable devices. Do we have any other more other than this? Do we have the applications for just regarding the elderly people, to monitor the elderly people's do we have anything like that?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, now people are researching on it. To be honest, for mentally ill people, they have something, but for physically old people, they didn't find out. But ideas are going on to track them, and for especially people who may not walk or who will easily fall down, people are trying to find out a belt which may get buffer and save them while they are falling down.
Thank you so much. Hope we all had a good discussion regarding the wearable device.